good morning. Today we are making pork menudo. Menudo is my favorite Filipino dish that I learned from my parents, and today I'm sharing it with you. I want to make this video for my daughter and for you too, so that you can learn how to make this. It's so simple to make. We need to transfer the pork in a big large bowl, and we're going to marinate it for 1 hour. Let's add in the lemon. I use only 1 lemon. And then let's go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix them and cover and marinate for 1 hour. So after an hour, we're going to go ahead and cook the pork menudo. And let's start with our cooking oil. Heat up around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And we will add here garlic and cook it until brown. Now we can add onions. Cook this until it's transparent. I mentioned a while ago that I always make this for Noche Buena, but you can make this pork menudo throughout the year. In fact, I always make a huge batch of this and separate them in a Ziploc and then go ahead and freeze it. This is really good for freezing and very good for lunches. It's a good leftover. So now that the onions are fully cooked, let's go ahead and add the pork. You don't have to drain the marinade. Okay, let's go ahead and check if it changes its color already. So what we did a while ago is that we were just letting the pork soak the liquid marinade in the water. Okay, after adding the water, what we're doing right now is let the meat cook for 45 minutes. We want it soft and tender, and we want it so tasty. We want the meat to absorb the water, the little bit of marinade in there. So yeah, if you have an instant pot though, you can cook this in the instant pot for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, so this is the meat after 35 minutes. And if you think that you still need to soften to make the meat tender, you can go ahead and add some more water. Okay, and then now we can go ahead and add our tomato paste. And we can add our carrots. We can add our potatoes, leaves, bell pepper, and let's add our liver, garbanzo beans, okay, let's see what's going on with our menudo. It looks like the liver has been cooked really good. The potatoes are soft, the carrots are soft. So now, let's go ahead and add tomato sauce. During the 45 minutes that I was trying to soften the meat, I added about 1 cup of water. Oh. And then you can season it with, I added pork bouillon and then pepper. Raisins, I know it's different, but this will add a bit of sweetness to the menudo. So what we have here, we have garbanzo, we have carrots, we have potatoes, and we have raisins. And I also added pork liver in it, although my son doesn't like it that much. But what he does is that he just set it aside, the liver, and just choose the pork. Okay, now let it simmer for another 10 minutes and let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see. This is our pork menudo. Well, it's really delicious. The difference between a fritada and then a menudo is the taste of the liver in it. And yeah, the liver is very distinct into this recipe. And throughout the cooking, I added about 1 to 2 cups of water. And then you can adjust also the taste according to your liking.